Hi everybody, it's me, Ivan, an 8-year-old boy from Scratch. Today I'll show you how to make a Super Mario game in Scratch. This is like basically the part 1. Let's get started. Delete sprite 1. And go get your sprites. I have it in my backpack. Then you can, let's get started. Name your project, name it, you can name any, but I'm not gonna really name it. Drag out a 1 green flag, click. Go to looks and set size to 200. Then go to XY00. Go to control and drag out create clone myself. Change Y by 32. Drag a repeat loop and surround create clone myself and change Y by 32 and count 5. Run this. As you see click the green flag and then run this repeat 5. If you see that it should be perfectly on, they should be perfectly like make a line. Let's make a new variable named clone count Y. For all sprites, for this sprite only. Set clone count Y to 5 and put clone count Y into the repeat loop variable. Set clone count Y for all sprites. Just delete clone count Y and make a new variable named clone count Y and set it for all sprites. Do the same and replace everything. Then let's add something. Drag out a set Y2 block and drag out go to operator, drag out multiply and drag out clone count Y and multiply it by -16. And at the bottom, simply change X by 32. If you run it, you'll see it like and then now set clone, make a new variable named clone count X for all sprites. Set clone count X to 5. Then drag out repeat loop and put clone count X in the value. And then duplicate the set Y clone count Y multiplied by -16 and instead put like a set X to clone count X multiplied -16. Now if you see, just click the green flag and click on the script. See, now it runs. But what if the sprite is still showing, like there's the extra tile. The others are all clone. Just click the green flag, tidy things up, and go to looks and put a show block before set X and a hide block after the whole repeat loop. Now if you click the script, you'll see after everything is done, the block disappears. Good. Let's continue on. But also, one costume is not enough for the whole game. Click into costume. As you see, there's lots of costumes. Now, the costume is from 3 to 67. You can do any, but drag a switch costume before the create clone. And pick random from 3 to, what is it again, 67? Let me just go check. 67, yes. Then if you click the green flag to tidy things up, click this script, and now see it's like a random costume. Pretty neat. As you see, if you click this script, it's like going like a bit too slow. Let's speed it up. Make a new block named setup. Run without screen refresh. Put the setup like this. Now if you see this, it's so fast, like it goes like spawns the tile immediately when the green flag is clicked. You can also drag them around. Pretty cool. Let's make two new variables. One tile x for this part only. Tile y for this part only. Let's replace all the x and change x and change x, set y, all of these with our own variables. For the first one, set clone count x and switch that for this, like this. And we set tile x. Yeah, pretty good. Now we just need to make the tile actually move. So, clean up and let's make a new message named position tile. And whenever you see position tile, go to XY. And tile X and tile Y. Put the progress position tile over here. And click the green flag. As you see, it's now again, the tiles is like in a perfect 5x5 grid. Let's make these actual scroll. Make a new variable named camera X. For all sprites and a camera Y for all sprites. And change both into sliders by double clicking. And change slider range to 0 to 500. 0 to 500. And let's update the position tile script. Go to operator, drag out two minus. Go to variable, drag out camera X and camera Y. And put tile X minus camera X. And tile Y minus camera Y. Now if you see it doesn't do anything, let's actually do it, make something. Drag out a forever loop and click the green flag. Now if you see the tile scrolls around, up and down. Isn't it great? Drag out an if condition before position tile go to XY. And drag out less than and put tile X minus camera X and put this and yeah, change tile X by 1. Now if you see it moves away. Also, I'm just gonna grab like the view. Yeah, now let's make it actually, and just clone like 32. Click the green flag. As you see, it scrolls left to right and left. Cool. Let's go to operator, drag out apps, and put the tile minus camera, tile x minus camera x in there, and switch the less than to a greater than. Good. Let's continue on. And drag a if else, and put a less than, tile x less than camera x. And duplicate tile x and put in the else value, negative 32. Just change the negative 16 to the positive 16 and test it. Now it scrolls perfectly to the left and right. Cool. Now let's scroll it up and down. Duplicate this and put it before go to x, y. And if abs of tile y minus camera y is greater than clone count y. Let's change these. And tile x, change it to tile y, and for all x, change it to y. Then like this, tile y, and clone count y, and clone count y. Let's test it. As you see, it scrolls up and down perfectly, left and right also. Now let's see if it works perfectly, up and down, left, right. As you see, it's like not moving very smooth. Let's fill the whole screen with tiles. Go to the one green flash script and change that for clone count x to 50 and clone count y to 12. Run the project. Now you see the whole screen is with tiles. Great, let's continue. But let's fix that and put 16 and 13 into the value instead. And now it moves so smooth. Wow, we did a great job. But the tiles are like sort of cutting on the edge, but yeah. Let's fix the tile cutting on the edge. Click in the costume. There's a big costume. Let's switch to that. Go to looks and switch costume to big. After like this check, like before go to XY. And switch the costume back to like a tile. Let's make a new variable named tile for this sprite only. And instead of switch costume, just put a set tile to pick random 3 to 67. And put the tile variable in here, in the switch costume back. Let's open. See, it's a full screen of tiles. Wow. And it's scrolling so smooth. Cool. I think this will be the end of this tutorial. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more Youth teaching videos. See ya.